Doksuri lashed southern Taiwan on Thursday after battering the Philippines, where the storm's ferocious winds and rains triggered floods and landslides that killed at least 6 people. Southern Taiwan on Thursday shut businesses and schools while airlines cancelled hundreds of flights amid warnings of landslides and floods as the typhoon en route China churned past the island. Typhoon Doksuri, categorized at the second strongest typhoon level by Taiwan's Weather Bureau, headed towards the southern Taiwan Strait with maximum winds of 191 km per hour on Thursday morning. At one point, Doksuri was a super typhoon, but lost some of its strength after it lashed the coastline of the northern Philippines on Wednesday, bursting banks of rivers and leaving thousands without electricity. Taiwan's Weather Bureau issued wind and rain warnings on Thursday for the southern and eastern part of the island, including the major port city of Kaohsiung, where businesses and schools were closed and landslide warnings issued. All domestic flights were suspended on the island, while a handful of international flights were cancelled. Railway services between southern and eastern Taiwan were shut. More than 4,000 people were evacuated as a precaution, mostly in the mountainous southern and eastern Taiwan, where nearly 0.7 meters of rainfall was recorded in some areas and up to 1 meter of rain was forecast. The storm had cut power from more than 49,000 households across Taiwan, but the majority of them had since been restored. Typhoon Doksuri should not be underestimated, Kaohsiung City Mayor Chen Chi-mai said in a Facebook post late on Wednesday. The police and military force will assist in the effort of forced evacuation if needed, he said, pointing to threats by torrential rain in mountainous areas. Braving occasional showers and winds, Taiwan's armed forces pressed ahead with a large-scale anti-landing drill on a beach near the major Taipei port just outside the capital, simulating the repulsion of an enemy force with ground troops and tanks amid high military tensions with neighboring China. The storm has disrupted parts of Taiwan's main annual Han Kuang exercises and air raid drills that started on Monday as authorities cancelled some exercises, citing safety concerns and the need to make preparations for the typhoon.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.